1926.1424 Work Area Control to Subpart CC, Cranes and Derricks in Construction. 1926.1424 Swing Radius Hazards. 1926.1424 The requirements in paragraph A2 of this section apply where there are accessible areas in which the equipment's rotating superstructure, whether permanently or temporarily mounted, poses a reasonably foreseeable risk of 1926.1424 A1I and A1-2 striking and injuring an employee, or pinching/crushing an employee against another part of the equipment or another object. 1926.1424 A2 To prevent employees from entering these hazard areas, the employer must 1926.1424 A2I and A2-2 train each employee assigned to work on or near the equipment, authorized personnel, in how to recognize struck by and pinch/crush hazard areas posed by the rotating superstructure. Erect and maintain control lines, warning lines, railings, or similar barriers to mark the boundaries of the hazard areas. Exception: when the employer can demonstrate that it is neither feasible to erect such barriers on the ground nor on the equipment, the hazard areas must be clearly marked by a combination of warning signs, such as danger swing/crush zone, and high visibility markings on the equipment that identify the hazard areas. In addition, the employer must train each employee to understand what these markings signify. 1926.1424 A3 Protecting employees in the hazard area. 1926.1424 A3I and A3-2 Before an employee goes to a location in the hazard area that is out of view of the operator, the employee, or someone instructed by the employee, must ensure that the operator is informed that he/she is going to that location. Where the operator knows that an employee went to a location covered by paragraph A1 of this section, the operator must not rotate the superstructure until the operator is informed in accordance with a prearranged system of communication that the employee is in a safe position. 1926.1424 B. Where any part of a crane/derrick is within the working radius of another crane/derrick, the controlling entity must institute a system to coordinate operations. If there is no controlling entity, the employer, if there is only one employer operating the multiple pieces of equipment, or employers, must institute such a system.